Good afternoon to all. Today, I and my friend Azam will be presenting a set of riddles. The rules are as follows. There will be 20 questions and you will be getting 10 seconds to answer, and after that, we will be revealing the answers. If you answer the questions correctly, you will get 1 point. If you answer it incorrectly, you cannot answer again. The person with the most point will win the game. And one more thing, do not cheat.
Kevin, can you just share the
For a
riddles?
delay, just 1 second.
Yeah, I must have glitched.
Kevin.
What happened?
Actually, the PPT is not coming.
Shut down. My other laptop shut down. 1 second, man. Just a minute.
Maybe some internet problem.
Yeah. Siraj ma'am is there.
Yes, ma'am. Urdu ma'am has come, ma'am. Third language, Urdu. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
She's
Ma'am?
there or she's not there?
She was there. She just wrote to me on chat.
Yeah, she's there.
I'm sorry for the
She
delay.
must have left. Yeah.
Okay,
So
here we go.
one thing, everyone is
Yeah.
allowed to answer.
Yeah, everyone, even teachers are allowed.
Yes.
Yeah, teacher.
So the first riddle: what has a thumb and 4 fingers, but is not a hand? You have got 10 seconds to answer.
No, you people can unmute and say everyone can unmute.
Yeah, you can answer.
I think we should start a timer of 10 seconds. Is that
Yeah.
Starting my
or else the first riddle, we can just give them like the first riddle
Okay.
as a try.
Is the answer is leg.
Okay, first riddle. Okay, no one is
Someone
answering.
is writing its feet.
No, it's the
Not
answer is
feet.
glove.
No.
I also said
Okay.
that.
Umer said.
Yeah, the
It's
answer
glove.
was a glove.
Umer got the first point.
I think someone is noting down the points, right?
Yeah, I'm writing down.
Umair one. All right.
Riddle number 2.
Started.
I am tall when I'm young and I'm short when I'm old. What am I?
Candle.
Okay.
Okay, looks like everyone
Okay.
knows this.
Savio was the first one to answer, so he got the point.
Yeah.
Yeah, because everyone can say like that.
Yeah. Third one. What month of the year has 28
Every
days?
year. Every year.
Every year.
All the months.
And all
the
the
months,
Yeah,
yes.
okay. Actually, what you said, I get it, but ma'am got the first point.
Yeah, because
Oh, no, so the
Mayor
third.
said all the years and it's all the months.
These are very heavy.
Okay.
Riddle number 4.
Sponge.
What is full of holes but still holds water?
Puddles.
A
Sponge. Sponge is the
Yeah,
answer.
ma'am got.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
there are a lot of answers coming in.
Okay, the fifth
Okay,
one. What
I will mute
what is
because-
all? Okay. What is always in front of you, but can't be seen?
A mirror.
No.
Air.
No.
Your age.
No.
No.
Okay, this is
Any of
really a
those.
tough one.
This one is a little confused.
Yeah, I think 10 seconds is over.
Yeah,
Answer
it's
is-
over.
Its answer is the future. No one got 4 points.
Smart.
Sixth one, awesome.
Barber. Symbol.
Bar.
Okay. Okay.
Sixth
Azam
one.
didn't.
I shave every day. My beard.
Okay. Yeah,
Samuel
Savia got
said
the
this one
point.
before the timer started, so maybe the next one Azam
Oh,
said.
Yeah. David's parent has 3 sons, Snap, Crackle, and the name of the third son.
David.
Who
David.
said it? Who said first?
David.
Who said
Me.
first?
First, let the question
Me
finish,
means
then you
who?
can say the answer.
Me means
eighth
who?
one.
Who?
He
Umair,
said,
I think so.
said David.
Prajin said, okay.
Eighth
Prajin.
one. I am light as water, yet the strongest person can't hold
Shadow.
me for 5
Shadow.
minutes. What am I?
No,
Ice.
not shadow.
Ice.
No, no,
No.
no.
No,
Hair.
Air,
no.
no.
10 seconds are over.
Water.
Who said
I
air?
think Umair is in the right track, but you have to modify it a little bit more.
But the time
I
is
will
up.
give that clue.
Oxygen.
Yeah, the time
He
is up.
had no
Your breath.
chance.
Your breath.
Yes, your breath.
So no one got
Shadow is
that.
also same. Just like
Yeah.
Yeah,
Has zero point.
okay, I will give Umair 1 point because he was almost there.
No,
So,
all
okay.
right. You're
The
actually the
90
master.
if you got me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't get me. What am I?
This one's easy.
Food.
Yeah, actually, it's tough one because Prabir, you know it.
A secret, a secret.
I don't.
Okay, yeah,
Right.
okay.
Yes.
Liaquat got.
Yeah, I haven't seen
Yeah.
this one. I didn't actually go over everything.
Tenth one. What goes up and down but doesn't move?
Age. Age.
No.
No.
How will
Age
you go
down.
down?
How will age go
Okay,
down?
how age will go
That's
down?
another one.
Age won't go up and down.
Wait.
We can see up
Wait,
and down, but
Mountains,
it-
valleys.
Mountains.
Value.
No.
Respect value.
No.
The
I think
answer
10
is
seconds is up. 10 seconds is up.
We're gonna give 5
No,
seconds.
it's staircase.
staircase.
It's staircase.
Arrow moves. It even goes up and down.
Okay, but still is the answer was staircase. The 11th one. It belongs to you, but
Name,
other
our
people use
name.
it more.
Yeah.
Your
name.
name.
Yes, yes.
Name.
Savio
Savio.
got 1 point.
Yeah, this was easy one. It was very common.
Yeah, okay. Um,
A clock.
what
Yeah.
has hands but can't clap? Okay, the clock. Who said that? Actually,
Mayor.
okay, Umar got 1 point. What has legs but doesn't walk?
Table.
Yeah, okay.
There's
Okay, three
another
person
thing
is
is
3
there.
points. Okay.
that is a complicated legs.
What can you catch but not throw?
A cold.
Okay, Liaquat now
Flu.
1 point.
Okay, there
Yeah,
are
yes, yes,
quite intelligent
but
people
gold
in
he
our
meant.
class. I didn't know that.
Yeah, even I didn't.
I thought that would be
What
hard.
kind of a band never plays music?
Rubber band.
Rubber band.
Right.
Okay, Ismail got Ismail's first point.
What has many teeth but can't bite?
Okay, what?
Comb.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. I think ma'am got it, Nida ma'am.
I told you before.
Okay.
We might hear it then.
What runs all around a backyard yet never moves?
Wind.
I know it.
A fan.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, Liaquat
Liaquat.
got it. Liaquat got it. Liaquat got it. Okay, 18.
18th
Have to
one.
do a
What
little
can
bit of
travel
thinking
all
first.
around the world without leaving?
Imagination. A human imagination.
No.
No.
Yes, yes.
What? Someone is saying
Stamp.
the answer.
Having
Stamp.
a thing.
A stamp.
Okay, Umair, I think got it.
No, not Umair.
Just me, Umair.
Okay,
By the way,
19th
we are
one.
just touching it.
I am an odd number. Take away a letter and I become even. What number am I?
3.
7.
No.
7, yes.
Oh, okay, ma'am got it. Ma'am again got it. 7. If you remove S from 7, it will be even.
Yes.
I am shocked
this.
by the intelligence of our
And the last
classmates
one.
and
The
teachers.
last one.
Mary has 4 daughters, and each of her daughter has a brother. How many children does Mary have?
9.
No.
Oh,
Who's okay? Savio said this. Savio said 5.
5.
I'm kind
Each
So
of
the
of her
winner
have
is
same brother.
actually unexpectedly ma'am won with 5 points.
Yes.
Second was Savio and Umer with 4 points. Third was Liaquat with 3 points. And rest Prajin Ismail also got